Elephant Racing's adjustable drop links are available for factory-type front through-body sway bars, typically found on 65 through 73 911 series cars and 914s. Also, rear factory-type sway bars with a bolt-on drop link attachment, typically found on 78 and later 911 series cars. Left and right threaded ends make for easy length adjustment to eliminate preload. Fully weather-sealed, oversized Teflon-lined precision rod ends for added durability and increased articulation. Adjustable sway bar links allow you to remove preload on the sway bar. Preload happens during installation and setup, which causes tension in the bar. With the adjustable links, you can install one side and then adjust the length on the other side to match. Adjustable links can also be used to move the sway bar to better clear other components. The rear drop links attach to the camber adjustment holes on the spring plates. Front drop links are available for factory-type front through-body sway bars, typically found on 65 through 73, Porsche 911, 912, 930, and 914s. The rear are available for long or short wheelbase cars that feature factory-type sway bars with the bolt-on drop link attachment, typically found on 78 through 89, 911, 912, and 930s.